it is time for some pearls. Hello, it's Davita. Welcome back to Abstract and Flow. I am going to go back to my roots, and I am going to do a pearl pour for you. Now, no, not these pearls. Pink pearls. Hopefully, big, juicy, beautiful pearls. Let's get started. So, here is my base. Artist Loft, Flow White, Floetrol, and Behr Satin Enamels house paint. Let's get a little bit more light on the situation here. Alrighty, here we go. We should have some good flowage going on, and we do. All right, colors for tonight. Amsterdam, Prussian blue, Rust-oleum metallics, Harbor sky, I have a gray I mixed up, a little bit of Artist Loft white, a little bit of black, and a little bit of Payne's gray. Now I have the camera situated a little higher up so I can get the full length of this 12 by 36 canvas. Turn off my AC. It was making a little bit of noise over there I didn't want to hear. Alright, so let's torch this just a little bit. Well, yeah, because it, it has a house paint in it. So we don't want to burn that. We want to get all those air bubbles that I see. Alright. Now, I think I'm going to start with the gray. Let's see. Okay. Since this is leftover paint, don't have a lot left, but we're going to make it do what it do. And let's go in with our Prussian blue. Nice thick ribbons. And I really think the thicker your ribbons, the more of an area for your pearls to develop. And here is the harbor sky. Right down the center. Okay. Let's see what happens. I haven't done a pearl pour in forever. So, let's see if I still got it. Fingers crossed. Here we go. Okay. We're starting to get a little action, of course, on the edges. And when I did my test tile, which I always do, that harbor sky pearled up really nicely. And I'm hoping this streak of blue I left on purpose gives us a little action also. So while that's working, because I always want to give it a chance to develop on its own, before I torch or try to embellish. That's the whole purpose of the pearls. Let them do their thing. Give the canvas and the paint time to do its thing. That way you're going to develop nice, circular, juicy pearls. They won't look all distorted and wonky. Just getting my corners. Okay. So I'm going to torch it just a bit. See if we can get some more pearls to pop up, especially in this blue area. I think she is cooked. She's been marinating for about 20 minutes or so. And the reaction I got here is exactly what I wanted to happen, because look at my practice tile. Almost exact formation of the pearls. And the blue came through. This is my practice tile. And that solid area of blue, we got a match. I am super ecstatic. I let the pearls develop naturally. I just spread the paint, let it be, and we have nice formation of pearls. So, let's do a little bit of a close-up. Look at that blue area. I should have put more blue, but that came out really nice. Did you see those pearls? Yes. I'm happy with that one. I guess it's just like riding a bike. You never forget. I was kind of worried about that big blue streak and whether or not it was going to perform. But it showed up and showed out. So, thank you all so much for tuning in. Yeah, that's it. It's late. I'm tired. But we got pearls. We got pearls. Hey, we got pearls. Hey. Okay. Stay blessed. Stay safe. See you next pour. Bye.